help you understand how you can earn 5% every month through swing trading. I'm also going to explain the top 3 secrets for you to earn 5% every month through swing trading. Towards the end of this video, I will be giving you a game plan so that you can also become a full-time swing trader just like me. I used to be a photographer and a filmmaker. I was working with director Radha Mohan in Tamil films as an assistant director, and I had a dream of becoming Tamil cinema director, but that dream went into the drains. It did not work out. In 2018, the biggest change of my life happened. I got married and I moved to Bangalore. After I moved to Bangalore, I was in a totally new place and I did not know what kind of job to do. So I was trying to get a job in Amazon or Flipkart or Myntra as a photographer, when my husband suggested, why don't you start trading in the stock market? And he insisted that if I can make 20,000 rupees in 1 month through stock market trading, then it would be more than helpful for him. So I decided to take up on that new challenge. So in 2018, I started to learn technical analysis with the help of Zerodha's courses, and I continued to fail as a business person because I was not good at making profit and I had no idea how to control my losses, and I was doing intraday trading. In 2019, I continued to fail as a stock market trader. I continued to make losses in intraday trading. I used to make 3,000 to 4,000 rupees loss every single day. In 2020, something else happened. You see, when a person is pushed into the road of failure, he can keep falling and tumbling down and down. But there comes a point when he cannot go further down and he has to go back up. That's exactly what happened to me. In 2020, I said no. I said no to failure. I said no to intraday trading. I took a loan from my uncle, my maternal uncle. I took a loan of 2 lakh rupees. I promised him a return of 1% every month, and I took that money. I started to trade with it, but initially I was doing intraday trading and I continued to fail. But in 2020, like I said, I decided to turn the tables and I decided to not be a failure anymore, and I wanted to win. 2020 was a game changer for me. I switched to swing trading. I started to make profit, and in just 8 months of me switching from intraday to swing trading, I became a profitable trader. All the money that I had lost, about 70 to 80,000 rupees, I made it in just 8 months with a capital of 2 lakh taken from my uncle. I continued to be a winner. I got the Zerodha 60-day challenge winner certificates 4 times, and I continue to earn 5% from the stock market, and my capital continues to grow. So in 2020, I had already switched from intraday trading to swing trading, and I was starting to think about what kind of profit should I capture. So it was at that time that I came across this idea, this concept of trying to earn 5% every month. So what I did was I simply put an Excel sheet. So I said, let me start with a capital of 2 lakhs because that's the capital I had at the time. And I said, let me try to make 5% in 1 month. How much will it be? I realized that I should make a profit of 10,000 rupees in order for me to make 5% of 2 lakhs in 1 month. And I knew 10,000 was possible because in every trade I was making 2,500 to 3,000 rupees profit. And if I took just about 5 to 6 trades, I will be able to achieve this goal. So there was a possibility out there for me. There was an opportunity, there was a possibility which was very, very promising for me. So what I did was I simply wanted to just find out, to motivate myself, I wanted to find out how much profit will that be if I did the same thing for the next 10 years. And so what I did was I simply dragged this here and I dragged this like this, and I just went down to see how much profit will it be at the end of 10 years. So what I found was very, very shocking. I found out that at the end of 10 years, 121 months later, my 2 lakh rupee capital at a rate of 5% every month can compound to an amount of 7 crore rupees. And at that point, I was bought. I decided that swing trading is going to be a game changer for my trading journey. Okay, now let me tell you what is swing trading and how you can do it. Guys, the first thing you need to understand is that market never moves in one direction. So what it does is that it creates highs and lows. The market behavior is such that it creates highs and lows. So this is how the market behaves. It does what is called swing movements. How many of you have heard of the word swing? So you have gone in a park as a child to sit and play in a swing, right? What does a swing do? It goes back and forth. It goes back and forth. That's how the swing behaves, right? So the same thing happens in the market. Whichever direction the market is going in, whether it is going up or down or sideways, it does what is called swing movements. Okay, so it makes higher highs and higher lows when it's going up, it makes lower highs and lower lows when it's going up, and most of the time it makes equal highs, or it neither makes higher highs and higher lows nor make lower highs and lower lows, and creates kind of patterns in the market when it is going in sideways. Okay, so this is how the market behaves. It creates what is called swing movements. Now, what you have to do as a swing trader is that you have to be able to capture one swing. So let's say you noticed at this point there is a low and it made a high and then it made a higher low. Now what you should do as a swing trader is that you should be able to identify a reversal over here, a swing low. So once you identify a swing low, you should make an entry over here. Okay, you make an entry at this point, and at a swing high when the market goes up and then it once again forms a reversal over here, you have to make an exit, right? So from here to here you capture one move. So this move is your profit in swing trading. You're getting it? So in real market situation, you can see that these are the swing moves that you can see. Or for another example, what you can do is you can see that the market is making a swing high and a higher low. So at this point you make an entry and you make an exit somewhere around here or even over here. Points, you can see it's 6.12%. What seems like a fairly small move is 6.12%. It's 45-point move, and it takes over 13 trading sessions for this trade to get over. So this, my friends, is how you do swing trading. Now the bigger question comes in, will come in your mind. So how to do this? How do I capture the reversal? How do I capture the swing low? How do I find out when to enter? How do I find out when to exit? How do I book my profit? Tell me that. Guys, there are 3 things you will have to do. Okay. The first one is you will have to understand what is the candlestick psychology. So candlestick psychology, what is it? In my course, in swing trading system, there is a course called psychology of candlesticks, and in this course, I have explained the psychology behind 13 candlestick patterns. For example, let me tell you a little bit about hammer. Now you all will know that hammer is a candlestick pattern which you can find in any chart. Now, as a trader, what you have to do is you have to learn to identify a candlestick pattern, to identify the features of a candlestick pattern, to find out what type of candlestick pattern is this. You all know that a hammer candlestick pattern has certain distinct features, and those are a small real body and a long lower wick. In my course, I will teach you how to validate each and every candlestick pattern. So after validating a candlestick pattern, I will go on to teach you what is the psychology behind this. Now, let me tell you what is the psychology behind a hammer candlestick pattern. A hammer candlestick pattern has a distinct psychology when it is happening in a downtrend. Say the prior trend is bearish. The market has been selling the stock and the price of the stock has been coming down. And then a hammer pattern has been formed. So this means the bears who have been successful in pushing the prices lower and lower in the past few trading sessions have today been unsuccessful. That is why they were not able to close the price lower, but rather the bulls pushed the prices higher, and they were able to close at a higher price, forming a hammer candlestick pattern. So in my course Psychology of Candlestick Patterns, like I have already told you, I have explained the psychology, the precise psychology behind 13 candlestick patterns, and you will find that very, very helpful for you. And all these candlestick patterns are very, very useful for swing trading. Now the second thing I have explained, the second thing which will be very, very useful for you in the swing trading system is the T-max strategy. T-max stands for triple moving average crossover system. Using these three moving averages, you will be able to analyze the trend of the market, the direction of the market, the exact moment when the trend changes, the exact time when the breakdown happens, when a breakout happens, and not just that, but using triple moving average crossover system, you will be able to also understand the exact support and resistance of any stock or index. This triple moving average crossover system will be so helpful for you that not only do people use it for swing trading, they also use it for intraday trading. That's just not it, okay? Using T-max, you will be able to identify the trend in less than 5 seconds. Remember I said I will share the second secret with you? The second secret is to identify trends in less than 5 seconds. So in my course, you have T-max strategies and you have the WhatsApp class recordings, which will all help you to understand trend analysis, the easiest way to analyze trends, and also to understand and also to analyze support and resistance in the most easiest way possible. Guys, I believe in something, okay? Honestly speaking, I am a very, very lazy person, and like Steve Jobs says, if you want to get the best result, give the job to the laziest person in the room, because he will find the easiest way to do it. And that's what happened to me. I have found the easiest way for you to understand trends and supports and resistances using my triple moving average crossover system. This system is going to be a life changer for you. It will change the way you trade. It will save you a lot of time. If you're a working professional like me, you'll be able to analyze at least 20 to 30 stocks in just 1 hour using my triple moving average crossover system. The last secret is to identify reversals in the market. How to do swing trading? First, you need to find reversals so that you can buy at a swing low and sell at a swing high, right? Now, in order for you to find reversals, you need candlesticks. You need to understand the trend and support and resistance using T-max. Finally, last but not the least, you will use momentum, the RSI indicator, to identify reversals in the market. So there are about 9 to 10 strategies, advanced RSI strategies, which I teach in my course. You will find that as reversal strategies, using which you will be able to identify every single move of the market. I will tell you a secret about RSI. RSI is a leading indicator. Moving averages will help you to understand something that has already happened in the market. For example, the trend. So if the market is trending down, moving averages will be able to show you that. It will tell you that the market is trending down. It is happening right now. But RSI has a capacity to predict the market, which means before something happens, it will tell you what is going to happen next. That is why RSI is a very, very powerful indicator. Let me give you a small example. I'll use the example of a bullish divergence strategy. And over here you can see this low of 885 and this low of 881 is a lower low. Compared to this low, this one is a lower low. The same corresponding RSI is a higher low. Now this type of divergence is called a bullish divergence. Usually when this occurs, the ongoing downtrend comes to an end. So what this means is that the direction of the market is going to change. The market is going to start making higher highs rather than making lower highs. Previous high has been broken and the market is going higher. So this is how simple it is to identify reversals in the market using RSI strategies, and we have about 10 strategies which will be very, very useful for you in this swing trading system. Guys, I'm offering this swing trading system at a very, very nominal price of 6,999 for those who want to get started with swing trading. Not only just these 3 strategies, these 3 concepts, but there are also concepts in money management which will help you to earn 5% every month. There are also trade management strategies, there are position sizing strategies, there are ways to control your loss, and this system, this entire trading system is going to be so useful for you to help you to grow your capital. Last but not the least, let me tell you, this system is going to be so useful for you that you are not going to regret purchasing this course. I will see you soon in the Swing Traders Hub community, and I will talk to you soon via WhatsApp. Once you purchase this course, I will be able to communicate with you via WhatsApp. So I'm eagerly looking forward to be coaching you, to helping you to become full-time swing traders just like me, and even better.